as this.
Fellow mayors,
Manimaking Mindanao and ng ating bansa. So we are ready for the economic active investment and business destination.
This was on the verge of bankruptcy.
Ating kalsada mga itinayo o nakompleto. It used to be called the longest road